SOA Exam P practice question number 54. Employees in a manufacturing plant are classified as either high risk or no risk. 20% of employees are classified as high risk. The risk classification of each employee remains the same from this month to next month. The probability that a high-risk employee is involved in a safety incident is 0.15 for this month and independently 0.15 for next month. The probability that a low-risk employee is involved in a safety incident is 0.02 for this month and independently 0.02 for next month. Calculate the probability that an employee is involved in a safety incident next month, given that the same employee is involved in a safety incident this month. Let's take a look at the solution. Let H be the event that the employee is high risk, and let L be the event that the employee is low risk. Further, let A1 be the event that a safety incident occurs this month, and A2 be the event that the same employee is involved in a safety incident next month. We need to get the probability of A2 given A1. This equals the probability of the intersection of A1 and A2 over the probability of A1. Let's compute the probability of A1. The employees are classified as either high risk or low risk. By the law of total probability, probability of A1 equals the probability of A1 given the employee is high risk, which is H, times the associated probability PH, plus the corresponding terms related to the low-risk employees. 20% of employees are classified as high risk. So we can get PH equals 0.2, and therefore PL will be 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. High-risk employee having a safety incident 0.15 for this month. The probability of A1 given H is 0.15. And for low-risk employee, the probability is 0.02. We have the probability of A1 given L is 0.02. Upon calculation, we get P of A1 equals 0.046. And then we compute the probability of A1 and A2. Again, by the law of total probabilities, we have this expression. Next month, the probability that a high-risk employee having the safety incident is 0.15, which is independent regarding the event this month. And similarly, for the low-risk employee, the probability having the safety incident is 0.02 next month, again, independent of whether the safety incident happens for this month. So we get this expression. The probability of the intersection due to independence is equals to the product of the two individual probability. We get PH equals 0.2 and PL equals 0.8, no change. And the probability of A1 given H and the probability A1 given L remains unchanged, 0.15 and 0.02 respectively. The probability of A2 given H is 0.15. The probability of A2 given L is 0.02. Plug the numbers in. Upon calculation, we get the probability A1 and A2 equals 0.00482. We get the necessary calculation. Upon calculation, we get the desired probability. The probability that an employee is involved in a safety incident next month, given that the same employee is involved in a safety incident this month, is 0.1048.